If you no longer want a WhatsApp group, it's super easy to delete it, but you need to follow along with specific steps to go through and permanently delete any group. I'll walk you through the exact steps on my iPhone, but it's the same on an Android as well. So, of course, first just open up the WhatsApp app here, and then just tap on Groups at the top right. Let's enter into this group, John and Trevor. To delete this group, tap on the names at the top of the group, scroll down, and you need to see your name, in my case, Trevor Nace, and it needs to say admin. So you can only delete the group if you are an admin. Now, if you scroll down, there is no one button to delete the group. However, to be able to delete it, I need to tap on everybody's name and then tap remove from group and remove. And then tap on the other person's name and tap remove from group and then remove. Now, essentially, I've removed everybody from this group, and I can then just hit exit group and hit exit and delete for me. Now that I've removed everybody else from that group, I can delete the group just by tapping on that delete button, and it is no longer there for me or the other people. I hope this helps. I know your day is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.